What other things, other than the genuine interest, if that's the starting point, what other benefits are there?
Yeah, one of the
just a
things.
Distraction, what is it?
Yeah, one of the things I think a lot of people have said to me over the years is they take it away as something they can help their family and their friends with.
Great.
So from my experience, most people who actually utilise their first aid skills will utilise them on somebody they love or somebody they know very well. So it's generally going to be at some obscure time at 2 o'clock in the morning when a partner or a child is ill, that those first aid skills will become very valuable.
Right. So it's not just about a job or changing career. It's actually about how those skills relate into real life, because they're skills that we all need.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. That's probably the primary motivator that people have, is it's something they can take away. And those skills don't go away. They may dull over the years, but there's always they're always with those people.
There's always a preparedness to respond.
Exactly.